Hi, preschool. We are going to do some math, some practice with numbers. I hope you've been counting to 100 every day. If you can do that with mom and dad, and maybe you've been practicing writing your numbers or guessing. I told you guys that coming soon, I was going to let you play a little game with me to see if you can get your numbers faster than Miss Jessica. So at the end of our little lesson today, we'll play a game with our numbers and see if you can beat Miss Jessica, okay? But before we get to that game, we're going to do some practice. So first of all, I'm going to have us count from 1 to 20. That's all we're going to do today. Hopefully you have been counting 1 to 100 with your little video I sent you before, or you have a chart at home that you can be working with. But counting every day is a good thing for practice. But we're going to count. I brought my little pointer. You can see what it is. It's a little flower. Have you noticed all the flowers blooming? And my favorites are to see are the daffodils. They're just all over the yellow. There's bright in the duller ones. They're so pretty, and they're just such a beautiful sign of spring. I hope you've been able to enjoy the outdoors a little bit. So this is our pointer today, is a tulip, okay? And we'll let it be our guide as we count along. Are you ready? Remember, we're going to wave on our 5s. Clap on our 10s, okay? Help me out with that part because I can't do those very easy with a pointer in my hand. Here we go. We're ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, and we're going to stop right there because we are going to talk about the teen family today. It's been a little while since we practiced these, so we're going to do a little review, but we have a new number to learn first, and I have a new number for you, but to help us, I hope you can see it in the video, okay, but I put some duckies and some little orange birds on our felt board here, and we're going to count them. Now, I want you to count them in your brain. Remember, that means no sound, but your brain is counting these numbers while I move my pointer. And I'm going to see how many of you can count correctly to the right number when I'm finished. So you count, and you know what? You don't even have to do it in your brain. Miss Jessica forgot. You're not in my room. You can count out loud if you want because none of your classmates will hear you. They're not here. So you count with me while I move the pointer, but I'm not going to count out loud. I want to see if you can do it. I'll go a good speed for you. Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Stay with me. Keep counting. All right. Now, if you counted, I want you to say the number that you got. Ready? On the count of 3, tell me how many you counted. Ready? 1, 2, 3, say it. Okay. Hopefully, I heard some of you, I think, say the right number. Let me see if I put this, oops, got a little sideways. If I put this, a 1, and a 9 on our board, what number does that make? You guessed it. It is the number 19. If you guessed, if you counted with me and you came up with 19, and that was the number that you said when I asked, then I want you to give yourself a little pat on the back. Way to go. And I'll give you a little mini clap like we do at preschool sometimes. Excellent job. You were staying with me and you counted well. And the number 19 is part of what family? Do you remember? That's right. The teen family is number 19, is part of that family. The reason why is that we know that all teen numbers must start with a 1. That's right. So here we have a 1 and a 9 to make the number 19. Let's see let's write 19 here on the board. Ready? We have a 1, a ball on top, and a stick on bottom. 19. Very good. Now, I need you to pay really good attention because I am going to take some objects off of this board. And then when I do, I'm going to have you count again. And we're going to see if you can get these right, okay? So be careful counting. But first, I'm going to take some off. Ready? I'm going to take a duck. Just one. Okay, are you ready? We're going to count again. See if you can get it. Count with me out loud. Ready? I'm not going to count. You count. Okay. Ready? How many did you count? Say the number. Go. All right. If you said this number right here, a 1 and an 8, what number is that? 18. Very good. If you said number 18, you got that one correct. Great counting. Okay, now I'm going to take a few more off. Are you ready? Okay. We're going to count again. We're getting some good practice counting. Stay with me. Here we go. Ooh, how many did you get? Oh, I heard it. We got that time, if you counted this many right here. What is this number? A 1 and a 5 is 15. Very good. Oh, you guys are doing good on your counting. Okay, I'm going to take off some more. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. Let's count again. Ready? I'm going to count from the bottom this time. Stay with me. All right. How many did you get that time? Say it. Ready? Oh, I think I might have heard it. There were 12 objects on our board that time. How do you write the number 12? It's part of the what family? The teen family, that's right. And we write it, all teen numbers start with a 1, and then with 12 there is a 2. 1, 2 makes 12. Very good. Okay, ready? I'm going to take off just a couple more. We'll take off our first ones. Are you ready? We're going to count a little quicker this time. Count out loud with me. Here we go. Stay with my pointer. Did you get it? How many did you get? Say it. Ready? Oh, good job. The number 10. How do we write the number 10? It's the father of the teen family. That's right. And we write a 1 and a 0 makes the number 10. Great job. All right. Now, who remembers our new number? I'm going to cover it up. A 1 and a 9 makes what number? 19. Part of the teen family. Great job. Okay. Now, I am going to do some flashcards with you. Now, I'm going to do this a little different than we have before. I'm going to pull it out from the back. You look at it, and when I put it down in my hand, then you can say the number. So think about it. When I pull it, think about it. Now say it. 14. Very good. Ready? Think about it. 13. Good job. And these are not in order, so I hope you're remembering your numbers. Think about it. 1 and a 7. 17. Good job. Think about this one. A 1 and a 1. 11. Great job. I hope you're staying with me. Think about it. 18. Very good. Think about this one. 15. Good job. 12. All right. And our new number, a 1 and a 9, is 19. Very good. Okay. Now, I am going to take all of our single numbers before the teen family and all of our teen family, and I'm going to mix them up. And then we're going to play our little game, okay? Are you ready to do our little game? You're going to see if you can beat me. Oh, I hope you've been practicing your numbers, because that's how you can beat Miss Jessica's, if you've been practicing. Mixing them up here so we can have some teen numbers and some that aren't teen numbers. Oh, I hope your brains are turned on high power. Okay, now, before we do our game, I have to show you what I made, because I want you to get a piece of paper at home. If you can, I think you can find a piece of paper somewhere. You could even use the back of one of your papers that I gave you and do this. Make a line right down the middle, then make a line across the top. Then put Miss Jessica, or you could just put a J if you want, for me, and then put your name over here on the other side where the star is. Okay, now here's how our game works. I'm going to hold up a card, and I'm going to put it in my hand in front. And if you can say the number before Miss Jessica does, you take a pencil and you mark yourself a point. Just make a little line. But if I say it before you, be honest, you have to mark Miss Jessica a point. And we'll see at the end of our game if you have more points or if I have more points. So I'm going to give you a minute to find a paper. Make your line in your line and put your name at the top and my name at the other side. And I'll give you a minute to do that, okay? All right, find your paper and make your score sheet. Oops, it didn't pause. All right, we are back. I hope that you were able to make a score sheet with your name on one side, my name on the other, and you have a pencil with you. You got to have this to mark your points, okay? All right, and if you are here watching, guess what? You get to start with a head start. You can take your pencil and make yourself 1 point. Just make a little stick there like that. Just for playing the game with me, you get a point. Oh, man. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. So here's the rules. I'm going to hold a card up like this, and as soon as you see it, you hurry up and try to say the right number. Make sure you think. And if you say the number before I do, then you can mark yourself a point, okay? Now, I'm not going to start with that one, so be ready for another one. Are you ready? Here's the first one. 2. If you beat me, you can put your point on your side. Just make another little stick beside the one you did. If I beat you and I said it first, then mark Miss Jessica a point, okay? All right. Ready? Here you go. 9. Oh, mark a point. If you beat me, you take the point. If I said it first, give me the point. Remember to be honest. Okay, ready? Here's the next one. 11. Oh, are you beating me? Mark a point. Was it you or me who said it first? Mark your point. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. You can just keep the pencil in your hand like this so you're ready to mark, okay? Because I'm moving kind of quick here. All right, ready? 19. If you said it before me and you were right, mark yourself a point. Okay, if I said it first, give me the point. Oh, get ready. 1. Ooh, I don't know. I think I might have beat you on that one. Mark the point. Okay, here's the next one. Ready? 15. Oh, how you doing? Mark the point for me or you, whoever got it. Ready? Here's the next one. 4. Oh, I think I might have got that before some of you. Okay, mark the point for me or you, whoever got it. Ready? 3. All right, mark a point for that one. How you doing? We're about halfway done. Who's winning, you or me? Let's keep going. Ready? 17. Oh, all right, mark a point for me or for you, whoever got it first. Ready? 7. Ooh, Miss Jessica's pretty quick on that one. Mark a point for whoever got it. Ready? 18. Ooh, I think some of you beat me on that one. Mark the point for whoever said it. You or me. 5. Good job. 5 little bees. Mark the point for you or me, whoever got it first. Get ready. 10. Oh, that was close. Okay, mark the point for you or me. We're almost finished with them. Ready? 6. Good job. Mark the point if you got it and give it to me if I said it first. Ready? 16. Hey, that was kind of tricky. We had 6 and then 16 right together. All right, mark the point for that one. Whoever got it first, you or me. Ready? Here's the next one. Get ready. Whoop, whoop, whoop. 14. Oh, good job. Speedy little race cars on that one. 14, a 1 and a 4. Mark the point if you got it. Mark it for me if I got it. Ready? Here comes the next one. 8. Good job. Give somebody the point, me or you. Ready? 12. Oh, I hope you beat me. A 1 and a 2 makes 12. Mark the point for somebody. Last one. Are you ready? Ready, ready. Okay, this one's tricky. I'm going to show you the picture and you have to count how many there is and then say it before me. Are you ready? Okay, count. 13. Did you say it before me? If you said it before I did, mark yourself a point. But if I said it before you, give me the point. Okay, that was all that we have. So take your score sheet and count all the marks on your side. And then count all the marks on Miss Jessica's side. And whoever had the most won our game for today. Good job doing our our numbers with us today. You guys are doing a good job. I hope you're practicing and counting every day. Remember, you should be counting every day to 100. First thing you do when you start your school, just do like we do in our room, your pledges and your calendar and count to 100, okay? What's our new number? A 1 and a 9 makes 19. Great job with your numbers. Keep it up. I hope you beat me in our game today.